When diving into the reclaim of coal welding project, the possibilities are as vast as a spark flying from the welding touch, from crafting intricate metal sculpture to fabricating functional yet artistic furniture pieces. Welding opens gateway to creativity and craftsmanship. We will explore the selection of exciting welding projects that not only challenge your skills but also add a touch where to your surrounding, from beginners friendly ventures to more advanced tests. These projects encompass various techniques and materials, compromising exhaling journey through the artistry and precious welding. So grab your welding helmet and let's dive into the world of our inspiring welding project that leave you inspired and geared to create. We will embark on thrilling exploration of welding artistry, unveiling secrets, crafting, shifting metal sculpture from selecting the with precious and patience. You will not only have on way to our inspiring creation. Join me in this exhaling audacious through the world of welding as we transform raw materials into masterpieces that reflect your integrity and expertise. Techniques and step by step instruction to help you craft stunning projects from intricate metal sculpture functional pieces like tables or shelves. We will cover various project ideas suitable for skills levels, either you are noise looking to own your welding abilities for experienced welders seeking fresh inspiration. This guide aims to inspire and guide you through each project, providing insightful tips and tricks along this way. Join us on this welding journey as we develop into the world of metalworking, integrity, your patience, and unleashing your creativity through fascinating welding endeavor. We embark you to exhaling journey in the finest materials to welding touch with finance. Every step will meticulous curve, ensuring seamless experience for both beginners and seasoned welders alike. Let's dive into the thrilling adventure. Ignite your passion for welding while exploring innovative techniques and tips that will elevate your craftsmanship to new height. Buckles up and join us this immersive welding from sculpture masterpieces to practice metalwork. There are extensive raw to captivating projects to explore within the welding reclaim. In this video, we develop into the assortment of cool welding projects that not only showcase your skills but also challenge your creativity. Whether you are novice or experienced welder seeking inspiration, these guides through the spectrum engaging welding and over. So dive into the world of welding and unveil project that ignite your passion and integrity. We will explore the multitude engaging welding project, each carefully selected your blend for challenge and allure from crafting sleek metal sculpture functional study furniture pieces. These projects cater various skills levels, providing detailed step and insightful tips to ensure you rewarding welding experience. Join us journey as we delve into the world of your spark, fly, and imagination. Tasks from through the art of welding. In the tutorials, we will delve into meticulous and optimized guide to fabricate stunning pieces from sketching design to selecting that idea. Welding techniques, every step aims to precision and creativity. We will explore necessary tools, materials, safety precautions, details, procedures to ensure seamless welding experience. This project not only offers the opportunity to own welding skills but also encourage personal experience through better work artistry. Join us of this journey as we transform raw materials into striking masterpieces through expert welding techniques and insightful tips, providing step-by-step instruction to create a stunning pieces that showcase both craftsmanship and creativity from selecting the right materials and preparing the workspace mastery various welding techniques. This project promises engaging experience for both noise and scenes welder like. Get ready to explore the fusion of metalwork and artistry as we embark on this adventure together. We will explore a range of cool welding projects designed to inspire both noise and experience welder like, from crafting sleek metal sculpture to fabricating practical yet visually appealing furniture pieces. This guide will develop into step-by-step instruction, insightful tips, and innovative ideas to elevate your welding skills. Join us as we embark on a journey through the fascinating world of welding, unlock the secrets of producing impressive and unique projects that will leave lasting impact. Either you are seasoned welder or beginners looking to develop into the world of metalwork, either an array inspiring project waiting to be experienced. From crafting intricate metal sculpture to building robust furniture pieces, the possibilities are timeless. We will develop into an exciting world journey exploring from the most integrative welding project, offering step-by-step guide, expert tips, innovative ideas to fuel your imagination. So grab your welding gear, ignite your patient craftsmanship, and let's embark on this thrilling journey into the reclaim of coal welding project. Throughout these comprehensive tutorials, we will delve into diverse range of welding methods including make, dig, and stick welding whilst demonstrating other applications in crafting, staining metals, artwork. From basic welding principles to advanced artisans' maneuvers, guide is meticulous designed to provide step-by-step walkthrough, ensuring both welding scenes welders can flow along effortlessly. Get ready to ignite your creativity and dive into the fascinating world of welding as we embark on this thrilling journey together. From selecting the right materials and prepare workspace of mastering various welding techniques, this project promises an engaging experience for both noise and scenes welder alike. Get ready to explore the fusion of metalwork and artistry as we embark on this adventure together. Join us on this journey as we transforming raw materials into a sticking masterpieces through expert welding techniques and insightful tips into the world of where spark and fly imagination takes form through the art of welding. Thank you so much for watching this video.